In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com AI for sales insights. Monday.com includes AI tools that can help sales teams work faster by turning raw deal information into useful insights. Instead of manually reviewing every note, update, or opportunity, you can use AI to analyze sentiment, highlight concerns, and suggest next steps. Let's walk through how to set that up directly inside your sales pipeline. First, log into your Monday.com account and open your sales pipeline. If you have access to more than one workspace, make sure you're in the correct one before continuing. This is important because your boards, deal records, and AI-generated docs need to be connected to the right sales environment. Once you're inside the pipeline, click the plus icon to add an AI column. This feature gives you a way to bring AI-powered actions directly into your board, making it easier to generate insights without leaving your workflow. In the search field, type AI column so you can quickly find the option you need. From the available choices, select Monday Doc. This feature allows you to create an AI-powered document connected to a specific item or deal. It's useful because it can turn the information already stored in your board into a readable summary or recommendation, which is especially helpful for sales reviews and follow-up planning. Next, click on Doc to create a new doc. When the doc opens, click into the prompt box. This is where you tell the AI exactly what kind of analysis you want it to perform. The more specific your prompt is, the more useful and focused the result will usually be. Now type this prompt. Analyze the customer's sentiment based on the meeting notes. Classify it as positive, neutral, or negative. Explain why, and identify any concerns that could delay the sale. This prompt tells the AI to review the available meeting context, determine the overall tone of the customer interaction, and call out possible risks. That can help sales reps quickly understand whether a deal feels healthy or if it may need extra attention. After that, click Generate Doc. Monday.com will create a response that summarizes the sentiment, explains the reasoning, and points out any concerns that may affect deal progress. Next, click on the doc icon again to try a new prompt. This time type, based on the current deal information, recommend the next best sales action. Explain why this action is the most appropriate and suggest a follow-up timeline. This prompt is useful for turning deal data into practical guidance. Instead of only analyzing what has happened, it helps the AI suggest what to do next. Click Generate Doc, and the result should provide a recommended action, the reasoning behind it, and a suggested timeline for follow-up. And that's how to use Monday.com AI for sales insights. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more.